Hi guys, today's video I am going to show you a side hustle that makes you 500 rupees every day. It also takes less than 1 hour, so you can work only 1 hour and chill the rest of the day. But as I told in every video, that every side hustle requires hard work and consistent to build as an main income stream. So don't hesitate to work hard because it is the most important thing to achieve financial freedom in your life. If you know about Instagram review, if you don't know, then I will tell you that it is a SEO job that the freelancer reviews their client's Instagram handle and do some SEO things to reach their IG account to more people. So in this video, I will show you that how you can become Instagram reviewer and make money from helping your client's Instagram handle to reach more people. Now you have one doubt. I don't have that skill. Don't worry, ChatGPT makes the job for us. So let's start now. Before I'm going to show you how to do that, I'm gonna tell you how to make money. Go to fiverr.com. I already told you about this. For example, I search Instagram review in search bar. You see there are plenty of influencer do this job. You can also see the price they charge for this. So now you believe you can make 500 rupees every day by doing this. If you want to learn more about Fiverr, then comment Fiverr to this video. I will make video for it in future. If you want to learn various side hustles, then I recommend you to check my playlist in the above cards. Now go to ChatGPT. I am already set it up in ChatGPT. That, for example, I upload my own Instagram handle. This is the screenshot of my Instagram handle that I uploaded in ChatGPT, and I give us a prompt like this. Would you add like a professional IT expert in growth and conversion and help me come up with a personalized growth and optimization for this account? I also put the prompt in the description so you can copy and paste it. So ChatGPT acts like a professional IG expert and give as a result. First, it gives username and handle. That my username is techd6191, and the ChatGPT tell you can change the username like tech tips or tech explained because of the SEO. And also it gives how to improve your bio, how to improve your profile picture, how to improve your LinkedIn bio, and also content strategy, how to post your content, how to make idea of the content, how to make reels about the contents, etc. It gives all of the details about your Instagram and how to improve their SEO to reach more people. And also if you want content calendar for your Instagram or your kind Instagram, then prompt like as I want content calendar. Then it will also gives content calendar for daily. You can also give tools to schedule apps to create contents reels also. So you can copy and paste it to your clients in Fiverr. So that's how you gonna make money. After setting up your account in Fiverr, wait for some times, and if a client reached to you and said to improve their SEO in Instagram to reach more people, then they give your handle. So take the screenshot of their IG handle and upload it and give the prompt like this, and after ChatGPT give the results. Then tell your clients that you need to change your username bio, you change your need, you change your link of your bio like that and all. You can also make content calendar for your clients by the use of ChatGPT also. By doing that, you can earn money every day. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more side hustles. Follow our Instagram and Telegram for more tech updates. See you soon. Goodbye.